In this video, we'll go over hydration tracking on your Garmin Vivoactive 4 or Garmin Venu. Out of the box, the widget is accessible by swiping up or down until you get to the hydration widget, which will look like this. Pretty simple widget. Basically, every time you hit the plus, it will add 250 milliliters or 1 cup or 8 ounces to the count. Or if you have a specific container size that you drank, for example, 500 mils, you can tap on that and that will increase it. You can see here we have our overall goal for the day. So now what we can do here is we can customize this widget. So what we can do here, and press and hold the B button, and we can get access to our settings. First thing we can adjust are the units, cups, ounces, or milliliters. We can turn on and off the increased goal. I'm going to turn that off. It's pretty similar to the step counter goal. Every time you reach it, it will automatically increase it. So we're just going to set it like that. Alerts, by default, it's turned off, or we can get reminders every hour, every 2 hours, or after our activities. I'm going to set it every 2 hours, and I'm going to adjust the size of the container. So the plus will add 250 mils, 1 cup. So therefore, I want to adjust this container size to be the size of a pop can or a sparkling water can. So that is 330 milliliters or a 12-ounce can. And there you go. That should adjust itself. So now, again, if we want to hit the plus, it's 250. But if we can hit the container, and there you go, we've added like that. And there you go. That is hydration tracking on your Garmin Vivoactive 4 or Garmin Venu.